New black kit added. 2025 Hongqi HS5 has arrived in stores. Leather seats and spare tires have been removed from the entire series. Hongqi HS5, one of FAW Hongqi's main models, has attracted great attention since its launch, reaching 8,399 units in September. Perhaps in order to increase its market share, 2025 Hongqi HS5 will be officially launched in November, and the actual cars will reach dealerships one after another. As an annual facelift model, the existing design style of the exterior and interior has been continued. While the interior configuration has been completely upgraded, a new black kit has been added, and it is equipped with 2.0T plus 8 at power combination. In terms of appearance, the newly launched Xuanying version has a black kit added and a smoked exterior design has been adopted. Black elements have been added to the front grille, air intake grille, car logo, roof rack, rims and side skirts, making the car more sporty. The front faces of other models are again equipped with thick, vertically arranged chrome plates, and the car logo wrapped in the plates extends from the middle grille to the hood, creating a strong visual effect. The split headlights and trapezoidal air intake grille also continue the current design. New black kit added. 2025 Hongqi HS5 arrives in stores. Leather seats and spare tires are removed from the entire series. The lines starting from the fenders on the side of the body combine with the grooves extending upwards on the door panels, increasing the sporty atmosphere of the vehicle. While the hidden door handles popular today are not used, the window edges and side skirts are decorated with black elements and chrome plates, strengthening the three-dimensional feeling of the vehicle. Body size is length, width and height. The rear of the vehicle still uses a transition-type stop lamp design, with a spoiler on top and high-positioned brake lights. The rear bumper is filled with black mesh upholstery and chrome plated to increase the recognition of the rear of the vehicle. There are not many changes in the interior. There are fancy 3-spoke steering wheel, electronic gear lever and handbrake, dual screens hanging on the center console. The vehicle system will be optimized, and functions such as traffic light countdown will be added to increase the sense of luxury. There are operating buttons and physical buttons to control the air conditioning, while a pass-through air conditioning outlet is used in front of the co-pilot for practicality. There are also comfort configurations such as wireless charging for mobile phones. Major changes have been made to the configuration of the new vehicle. The leather seats and spare tires have been removed from the entire series, replaced by artificial leather seats and tire repair fluid. The mobile phone mapping function has been upgraded, and Huawei Internet support has been added. In addition, the fabric seats in the Qi version have been upgraded to artificial leather seats, a panoramic roof, an electric trunk lid and other configurations have been added. The Xuanying version has been upgraded with advanced cruise control, lane departure warning, lane departure assistant, illuminated vehicle logo, sensor-based trunk lid and other configurations. And the two-wheel drive version has also been added with adaptive high and low beams, and the Xuanying two-wheel drive version has been added with illuminated front flag function, and the ETC function has been cancelled. In terms of power, the new car is equipped with a 2.0T turbocharged engine adapted to the 8-AT transmission, producing 185 kilowatts of maximum power, 185 horsepower of maximum power and 380 Newton-meters of maximum torque, which is consistent with the current model.